Hi, this is an Evolis primacy. This is the input hopper, it can take 100 cards in. This is the output hopper, it can take 100 cards out. The only difference between the primacy and the Xenius in this case is that the Xenius can do only 50 cards in and 50 cards out. This is the card thickness gauge. This is where you set how thick the cards are you'll be using. At the moment it's set at 30mm or 0.76 millimeters, which is the standard credit card sized thickness. This is a blank PVC white card. It is 30mm, it is 0.76 millimeters big, and it gets inserted like so. This is how you open the card printer cover. Press down over there, it clips open, and you can move the cover open. This is the printer's print head, the most delicate, sensitive part of the printer. Under no circumstances should you ever touch that part of the printer. In essence, this is the printer. The rest is just rollers that move cards around to be printed, but the actual printing gets done by this unit here. If you look inside the printer, you'll see a little latch like this on both sides. Let me open this side and show you. You can open the side of the printer and notice that you have 3 open holes over here. This is the magnetic encoding unit, smart card and contactless units that are on-site upgradable at any time. So that's what makes the primacy and the Xenius very nice, is that both of them have these upgrading options down the line, and you can install a magnetic smart card or contactless encoder at any point in the future. This is the other side of the printer. Do not turn this knob or break it. It seems easily twistable, and a lot of people break these by giving them a twist. Something's not working and they fidget with the printer. This is a ribbon band that pulls the ribbon along as it's being printed. After a lot of cards, maybe 15 to 20,000 cards printed on this machine, this band starts to wear out and is available as a repair kit. So you can always replace these bands. Just know that the side of the printer can open and that this is how you do it. So this is the inside of the printer. As you can see, this is the dual side flip module. This is the unit that is used to flip the card as it's being printed. So what happens is the printer takes the card in, prints on it, and that unit flips it for you right over here. At the moment it's a primacy simplex, which means the printer is not activated to duplex mode, which means that it's a single side printer. But what's very nice about the primacy is that it can be upgraded to dual side at any time. All you need to do is insert an activation key and this unit will be activated, and then you have a dual side printer. As simple as that. This is how you would remove the dust roller from the printer. Simply pull back on this little lever over here and you can remove the dust roller, and then clean this underneath the tap to remove the dust, and wait till it's absolutely 100% completely dry, and then you can reinsert it. This is how you would clean the dust filter. Just behind this filter you can insert your nail and pull out this little thing, which is your dust filter. Clean it up and reinsert it. This is the back of the primacy. As you can see, there is a slot over here, the reject output hopper. Put in your reject tray to catch any cards that may come out faulty. You'll notice that on the back of the printer there are various inputs. You've got the power input, you've got an Ethernet cable input, a printer USB input, a daisy chain USB cable. A hugely important part of using any Evolis printer is the power supply. This power supply is specifically calibrated for these printers. It is hugely important to look after your power supply for your printer. Mark it with Evolis printer or primacy power supply. 99% of the issues you get with the printer is the accidental swapping of computer power supply with printer power supply. You can't run these printers off a generator. Please make sure that you have constant uninterrupted power supply. To switch the printer on, you simply connect the power supply and attach the USB cable. Printer's LED will come on. This is how you insert a ribbon into the printer. You simply open up the cover, take your ribbon, try to always make sure that it's kind of just tight like that. These little tails are at the back. You insert it into the printer like so. It's the only way it can go in. It doesn't fit any other way. And bring the cover down and close the printer. This is how you would insert cards into the printer. You simply open the input hopper, check that your card thickness is correct, insert your cards. All you really need to print is a computer, a printer, a ribbon to transfer color onto the cards, and blank white cards. If you have this combination of things, you are ready to print cards. Let's go into our driver quickly and click on graphical test card. It scans the ribbon to find the appropriate starting point, pulls in a card, and starts the printing process. Primacy prints roughly 190 to 225 cards per hour, depending on the design, and about 600 to 850 monochrome cards per hour. As you can see, a perfectly printed card. As part of the warranty conditions of the printer, it's imperative that you do one cleaning cycle with this card every 1,000 cards.